Coming up in this video, I will be giving you a tour from Pamphret to Yallahs. I am now heading west in the direction towards Kingston. To your left is the Great Pond, which is the largest pond of the two.
Since I lost you, I've been hiding. Think you saw me with your friends last night. Yeah, I think it was you. Such a tragic, rather painful sight. So embarrassing. So I ran back to my heartache, holding hands with the night. Hopelessly hoping you to call. If we think about it, we think too much. Maybe we should talk about.
To the right of your screen, you will notice that water drain is only in some sections of this roadway.
Just say yes. 'Cause baby, 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 we're better than that. Maybe, maybe, maybe.
In this view, you will see that culvert that will take away that wastewater.
If there's love in afterlife.
And also, viewers, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And also, watch the ads. It helps the channel to grow.
We think too much. Maybe we should talk about it. Should be enough, but we'll never be enough for us if we don't give up. Think about it. And when I think about it, I think too much. I don't wanna talk about it. We talk enough. We'd rather sing about it. 'Cause I'm in love. I'm in love. Just say yes. 'Cause baby, 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 we're better than that. Maybe, 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 maybe it's as simple as that. 'Cause baby, 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 we're better than that.
To the right of your screen, you can see the process of the curb and channel being built.
Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh.
We are now at the border of Yallahs and Pamphret.
Or is it just a game? 'Cause I got high hopes. Maybe I'm crazy, but something in my mind tells me it's easy to make it come around. I think you want me the same way I want you, almost so easy. Baby, there ain't nobody like you. No, it's true. Could do the things you do just like you. Baby, there ain't nobody like you. Do you feel the same? 'Cause I got high hopes. Do you want the same? 'Cause baby, all I got is high hopes. Do you feel the same? Do you want me?
In this section, you can see that they are clearing that wastewater channel that will lead the water down into the pond.
I've been waiting all my life for something. I've been down the darkest roads and up in the clouds, but I've always felt that something's missing. That was until I found you right there.
We are now into that section of Mount George that in the last video was being paved.
You made me feel like I could touch the sky. Oh, there's nothing missing now that you're my desire. Now all I have to do is to make you mine. 'Cause I know, and you know what we could be. Like a song, like a perfect melody. Baby, don't say you don't believe in me. 'Cause you know,
In this clip, we are now looking east back at Pamphret.
you know, and I know.
And you can also see the partition between the two ponds. We are now continuing west with Loden Hill to your right.
When I'm with you, I feel so much better. yeah. Before you, I was just a shell, so stuck in the dark. You came into my life and started a fire. You made me feel like I could touch the sky. Oh, there's nothing missing now that you're my desire. Now all I have to do is to make you mine. 'Cause I know, and you know what we could be. Like a song, like a perfect melody. Baby, don't say you don't believe in me. 'Cause you know, and I know, we're onto something good. You know, and I know, we got something good. Follow your heart, baby, don't be shy. Just follow yours and I'll follow mine. 'Cause I know, and you know what we could be. Like a song, like a perfect melody. Baby, don't say you don't believe in me. 'Cause you know, and I know, we're onto something good. You know, and I know, we got something good. Something good. What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreamers. Don't care what other people say. We live it like this could be our final day. We're dreamers. Don't care what the others say. We're doing this in our way. We come alive in the nighttime. It's something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive. We come alive. We come alive. What's your weakness? What's your type? Somehow I wanna know all about you. Deep connection lights a spark. You already know me when we dance in the dark.